by, what's your airline?
We're going to Brightline.
Brightline?
Yeah.
Bright letter A like an apple.
A? Right, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we just pulled into Fast Park in Orlando. It does go to all the airlines and Brightline. That's where we're going. And here comes the bus. We have been parking here for years. We do have covered parking.
Okay. You carrying this?
Yeah, you can put it up there. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
How are you doing today?
Good, and you?
Good, thanks.
Here's our bus driver, Mr. Calvin.
Y'all in the blue truck, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So what happens is
41. Yeah.
it's a good idea to sign up for a card, and each day that you're here you do have
JetBlue or the Brightline?
Brightline, please.
it's a good idea for you to sign up for their points. Each day is a point, and after so many points you do get free days of parking. So this is the Fast Park bus. If you are going on Brightline, they are going to drop you off at Terminal C at the airport, and you just walk over and we'll see you there. Okay, so here is level 2. That's where they dropped us off. And we want to go to level 4. Okay, and as you come out of the elevator, there's a sign for the train station. All of the car rentals in Terminal C. So Brightline train station and the Hyatt Hotel straight ahead.
Go down and drive to the end. And that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Get here.
Lines to the train station. There's a lot of construction outside. And we have arrived at Brightline in Orlando, going to West Palm.